Perform an activity. Here we take a knife and put nails over it with the help of molten wax. Now we start heating from one point and observe what will happen. So as we start heating slowly, the wax start melting, and due to which first nail will fall down. It means heat is transferring from one end. And you see that the second nail also fall down. This shows that heat is transferring from the iron knife from one point to the another point slowly. And after some time the third nail will also be fall down. So this is an activity by which we are able to understand that metals are good conductor of heat, whereas non-metals are bad conductor of heat. Yes, at the same time you observe that I am holding this knife but I am not getting any harm because this is an insulator. Insulator are the substance from which heat do not pass. Thank you. We understand brittleness. A substance is said to be brittle if it is breaks easily. So we observe that what will happen. These are some materials which are made up of metals and these are non-metals. So if we try or force pressure on it, then it will not be break easily. If we take any metal, the metal will not break easily. But on the other hand, if we talk about non-metals, like the lid of your pencil, that is made up of graphite, it is a non-metal. So if we pressurize it, it will break down. Similarly, if we talk about coal, the burnt part of wood, and if we hammered it, it will break easily. Means non-metals are brittle in nature, which can be easily break down, whereas metals are non-brittle. They will not be break down.